Oncoming Chicken here. Today we're going to tell you about the Morimoto fog lights for 93 through 2002 Trans Ams. So here we have what would be your factory style light. This is a newer housing that was in the car previously. You can see here that it has a bulb that is removable. These housings were designed for a halogen style bulb. So when you put an LED bulb in them, you get better light, but it doesn't spread evenly. They weren't designed for LED lights. So that can cause some problems blinding oncoming traffic. With the Morimotos, we make a bracket. So it's a direct bolt in to the car. This is the 98 through 02, and this is the 93 through 97 bracket. They plug in just to your factory location, no wiring needed. And these are built in a projector housing that was designed for LEDs to give you a better, brighter, much more even lighting, so you're not blinding oncoming traffic and you can see better. These don't have a bulb. This is all integrated into a circuit board. So rather than having to worry about burning a bulb out and getting under there to replace it, these have an 8-year warranty. So once you install them, you basically forget about them. They have a much more modern look. You can see here in the car, they're real nice and clean look. We're going to show you how bright they are and how they light up at night a little later in the video. And I'm going to give you a brief overview on the install that's super simple. Okay, so we're under the cars, guys. You're going to have 3 of these clips to remove so that you can access underneath the front bumper. There's going to be one here, one in the middle, and then one just to the other side. I've already pulled the center loose for time. You can use a screwdriver, a tool like this. They make some fancy pliers for these. They're not hard to mess with, but sometimes they do like to stick a little. And then you're just going to take this center and pull down. I'm going to try not to block the light here. Then you've got 2 bolts that hold on each one of your fog lights. Which I can get out of the shadow there so you guys can see right there. And then right here on this side, you're going to unbolt those, and you're just going to slide your fog light out through the front of the bumper. And then it's hard to see, but there's a plug right here behind the frame. Let me see if I can get the light up here with my other hand so you guys can see better. There we go. You can see that plug just barely sticking out right there. When you pull it forward, you should be able to access it a little better and unplug the fog light. And like I said, you'll just pull it straight out forward through the bumper. And then when you go to reinstall, you'll just slide it straight back in through the bumper, plug it in, and then those 2 bolts will go back in. And then you'll put this cover back up into place and take your little slide-in clips. Push that one in, and then you just push in the centers. And that's all there is to those.
Ready to go test fog lights? Fog lights only. No headlights. With headlights.
Okay guys, I've showed you how to install them, what they look like during the day, what they look like at night. So these give you a nice updated look, a simple plug and play install. So visit 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐧𝐬 to get yours. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys next week.